Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing Laravel 11 full course and this part 95 search fill and filter function model by Laravel 11, and this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. First of all, my gem server already started Apache and MySQL, and this already run localhost PSP my admin real estate underscore Laravel underscore 11. This is my database name. Inside this is a list of table is available, 24 table is available. Inside this my project is available gem folder. Inside this htdoc directory, and this is a project. This project is already open. This my Sublime text editor. Let's this project directory inside this command prompt open. This my project directory inside this command prompt successfully open. Let's run PSP artisan server, PSP artisan server, and enter. Successfully working. This URL is a copy and paste this browser. Successfully working fine. Let's /admin login /admin login, and this is a login screen is available. admin@gmail.com, password 123456789, and click this login and not now. Successfully login screen is login is dashboard is available, and click this color inside this function is a implementation. This is a model via is a implementation inside this search box. Let's first of all this URL is a copy. This is a URL is a copy. Route inside this web.php file is available. This is a file is open successfully. This is a route inside this web.php file is available. Let's open this color controller app http controller, in this is a color controller. This color controller is available. This is a color controller. Inside this name function is available. Let's click this this function is available color list. This is a function is available, good working. Let's inside this admin color, and this is a list, and this is a color model. This color model is already included. This open this model inside this is a color model. This is a color model is available. This is a protected table, and this list is available. This list inside this available color. This is a color table. Inside this record is available. Please wait, this is a loading. Click this color. Please wait, loading data. This is my PC is very slow. This is a color is available. This is a 4 color is available, and this 4 color is a show. This is a ID, name, created date. In this all is a show, and this table name is a color table. This table is already included this inside, and this is a record is a get. This color get record is admin inside this is available color inside this is a list file. This is a list file. Please write down. This is a list file step by step. This is an implementation. This is a get record. This is a get record is available. This is a first ID, name, created date. This is all available. Please write down. Successfully write down. Let's insert this is implement. This is a implement color. This is a model via function is a set. Let's save file and refresh this page. Inside this page is a implementation. Please wait. BR tag and refresh this page. This is a BR tag is the implementation. Inside this is a implementation. Please wait. This is a loaded data. This is a my PC issue. This is successfully loaded. Good working. This is a fine. Let's open this file inside this city inside this available list file. This is a list file. Inside this search box is available. This same is a copy. Otherwise this copy same copy city inside this copy and inside this is a paste this br remove and this paste here. Please wait, this is a name is available, this is a color name, this is a color name is a set. Please wait, this step by step write down. Inside this is the implementation, this is a first color implement in this first is available, this is a id is a implementation, this is a id. Second is available name, less name is a implementation, this is a remove only name, this is a name only, this is a name is only set, this is a enter name. Next this is a state is not available, city name is not available. This is a working fine, save file and step by step successfully implementation. This is the only implementation. Let's refresh this page and this inside these two boxes is the implementation. This is the id and this is the name, and this reset and this is the inside this value import and this is a reset. This is inside this is id and enter, and this red is a color is a enter, and this is reset, this is name is available import, and this is the id is a implementation, and click this reset and this is a blank, successfully blank is a available. Good. And this is the next list, the function is a create, this is a function is a create, this get function. Let's open this and this is a comment. Again this copy and paste here, and this is the same here, copy get record all, save file. This is a function is a create, this get record 2 times is a remove, this copy and this open this color model, and inside this color model inside this new create static public function. This is a function is a create, this function is a new create, this is a new function is a create. Inside this implementation this is a search bar record. Let's open, this is already available, city inside this is not available. Let's country why this country inside this not a city. Let's open this city and this copy, and this is all function, this all function copy, and this is a copy and inside this paste. Wait, this is a extra is a remove, this not use, this remove get, this remove not use, this get, and this is a not a use. Successfully implementation. First of all, this color name is a set color name, this is id is a available, inside this is a id, this id is available. Next is a name, this is id is a color table is a id is available. This is next is a name, this is a name and name, this is a table name is a color table. Successfully implementation. Search filter is a implementation, this is request is already implementation. This id and this id is available, this list file inside this is id is available, and this is a name is a available. Good working this name. Successfully two function is a search filter is a implementation, this is a search bar. Let's refresh this page, successfully refresh. Let's id is a 3 4 5 6 available. Let's 7 is a implement, let's 7 and this is a not available, and search and record is a not found. Good working, record is a not available. Let's 5 number is implement and search. Successfully this is a 5 number is a available. Let's 6 number is a implement, let's 6 number search. Successfully this is a 6 number is a available. Good working. Let's reset again. Inside this is a color is a implementation. Let's color, this is a black color is a implement, otherwise red color is a implement, red search, and this is a only red color is available. Let's good. Let's blue and search, this is blue is a not available, and it's not available, and this is a white is a submit and search. Successfully white is available. Filter is a correctly working, this is a model, why is the correctly working, this is a good. This filter is a working fine. This last is a created date wise is a implementation. Let's create a date. Same here, copy and paste here. This is a created date. This created date, same copy. This is a copy created date. Inside this is same, paste here. And this is a placeholder remove, and this is a remove, and inside this is a date speaker is a set, and this is a created date. Save file and refresh this page. Inside this is available this date speaker. This is a good working. This is a date speaker is a available. This is a implementation. Same here, copy and paste. Inside this is a name is a set. Let's same here, copy this name. Inside this open, this model is open city, close this color model is available, paste here. And this is the same here, copy and paste here. Otherwise this copy and paste here, same name is a paste. Inside paste, and this is a paste. Successfully paste here. This is a color table. Let's refresh this page and search date. This is a search 5 number 5. This is a record is a not available. Let's search, and this is a not available. Let's back button, click this, and this is a implement search, and this search successfully working fine. This is Sol 723. This is a available date. This is same date is available. Inside less different date is a search and implement search. This is a not available. Less date is a select 16 and search. 16 and search successfully all fine, good working. This is a new function is a create. This is a new function is a create only simple way. This is a color table is a implement. Inside this id, name and created date. This is a available id, name and created date, and this is a you implement. In this is a you implementation step by step. This is a implementation. Let's check this again. This is a name id, name, and this last is a created date. Please write down step by step. This write down all implementation. This is a function is a only implementation. This is a route in fine. Any doubt, so please contact this my official website errorsolutioncode.com. Telegram, WhatsApp and Skype is available always, anytime contact. New website development, so please contact 7-year experience. And this is a lowest project available, please very low price and buy. This my channel, subscribe and click the bell icon. Follow this all Facebook, Instagram and GitHub page follow. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.